Hello everyone, today I'll show you a very important setting that you should never turn off again. In several videos, I've shown you how to disable camera tracking, voice recorder tracking, or microphone tracking, because they can record all your actions and generally operate without your knowledge. But there are also certain features that allow these preset settings to be changed without your permission. You might think you've secured yourself in advance, but then you get even a small update, and that's it. All these settings are gone and no longer work. The thing is, you might not even know about it. So, watch carefully until the end. I'll show you important settings that you should tweak to protect yourself, increase your privacy, and generally reduce tracking across all apps. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Now, let's go to the standard settings. Scroll down to find Privacy Protection. Click on this line. Now look, there's a setting here called Special Permission. It says here that we should manually monitor how the app uses our settings. And this is quite logical, because it's in the interests of manufacturers to have everything enabled by default so they can get maximum information about how you use your smartphone and then do something with that information, like send you a bunch of different ads that you see. So look, click on this line and then scroll down until you find Change System Settings, and click it. This is where the app that has been granted this permission is enabled. The first thing you need to do here is find Camera, and disable this slider so the camera can't change these system settings. Go back and now scroll down and find Voice Recorder here too. Click here and also disable voice recording so as not to change system settings. Don't worry, your voice recorder, your microphone, and your camera will still work. Look, I go into the camera, and it's launched and working fine, recording video and audio. Everything will work, but it won't change system settings without your knowledge or anything. You don't want. Be sure to adjust these settings to improve your phone's security and overall security.